Love sparks, reigniting passion and desire. Love sparks is a phrase that speaks of the passion and desire that exists in a relationship. It is a reminder that even after the initial spark of love fades, it is still possible to reignite the flame of passion between two people. In order to keep the flame of love burning, it is important to take the time to nurture the relationship. This can be done by spending quality time together, engaging in meaningful conversations, and doing thoughtful activities that bring the two of you closer. Taking the time to appreciate the little things and expressing your appreciation for your partner can go a long way in keeping the spark alive. It is also important to not take each other for granted. This means that it is important to express your love and appreciation for your partner on a regular basis. Showing your partner that you are still invested in the relationship and that you are still excited and passionate about them can help to keep the spark alive. It is also important to be open and honest with your partner. This means that it is important to communicate your feelings and desires to your partner. This can help to ensure that both partners are on the same page and that both partners are meeting each other's needs. Finally, it is important to remember that love is a journey and it is important to enjoy the journey. This means that it is important to take the time to enjoy the moments that you have together and to appreciate all that you have together. Taking the time to appreciate each other and the moments that you share together can help to keep the love sparks alive.